Okay, so hi everybody. I'm Anu Mehta, and I'm going to be your guide today and your host. Hi, Suman, and we're going to be basically talking about meta health and understanding things from meta health point of view. Now, what exactly is meta health? Before I go further, let me just let you know who I am. Um, I lovingly call myself Dr. Anu Mehta. I'm not a conventional doctor. And I deserve that title because I've created a PhD for myself in philosophy. I'm also the pioneer in the field of meta health, matrix reimprinting, advanced clearing energetics, and what is called information medicine in India. And I am right now a regular speaker on a platform which is called Get Set Up. I run my own workshops. I also train people in sound therapy, and I also train people in art and color therapy. So, this is about me in very short. Uh, why meta health, and why do I think meta health is one of the most brilliant tools that has come in my hand? Now, we often see that. Thank you, Suman. Yeah, you're always there on the Get Set Up. Absolutely. So, meta health is something which helps you to look at a disease from a top point of view, which means whatever doctors have told you so far is a conventional way of looking at a disease. मतलब जो भी आज तक बताया है आपको. So I'm going to speak in two different languages, that's English and Hindi, and that always works better in with our janta. Is that okay with all of you? If it's okay, just please put down in the chat, yes, that's fine. Or you want me to speak only in English, then I can do that bit too. What would you like? Yes, I believe that is with both the languages. Okay. So ऐसे है कि हमेशा अपनी कहानी कहीं दूर से शुरू होती है, और दूर से नहीं, एक्चुअली बड़ी करीब से शुरू होती है. It's always somewhere where we are suffering from something, where we go out to search for an answer, and life really takes you right there. So I was staying in Czech Republic and I was going through my own little drama in my life, and कुछ नहीं है your dramatic events in your life other than drama. अभी ड्रामा का मतलब क्या हुआ? मतलब पहले ऐसी सिचुएशन आपने फेस नहीं करी थी, जैसे राइट नाउ वी हैडंट फेस्ड कोविड बिफोर इन आवर एंटायर लाइफ. ओके, सो थिंग्स दैट हैपन व्हिच वी have never faced in our life, which feel like a little drama that's happening in our life, which feels almost like, अरे ये पहले तो कभी नहीं हुआ मेरे साथ, नहीं, ये तो मेरे साथ हुआ ही नहीं. तो अगर ये मेरे साथ हुआ नहीं है, so it is unexpected, it is something that you were not expecting. तो क्या है ना, कोविड पहले हुआ ही नहीं था, क्योंकि कोविड पहले नहीं हुआ था तो आपको कोविड के साथ डील कैसे करना है पता ही नहीं था. There was a mass shock that happened. So I want you to understand that something happened in my life that was dramatic, that had not happened before. And what could that something be? That something was that my husband, who was in a job with a vice president at a banking, that is Czech, in Czech Republic, he was vice president of Citibank, and he lost his job despite being an IITN, an IM, and I was in utter shock. ये कैसे हो सकता है? मेरे साथ ऐसे कैसे हो गया? मेरी फैमिली के साथ, मैं तो इतनी अच्छी हूँ, मेरे साथ ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? गॉड मस्ट बी नाराज विद मी ना. मेरी फैमिली ने कुछ तो पंगे किए होंगे, कुछ तो कीड़ा किया होगा गॉड को. गॉड ने बोला ठहर, मैं तेरी लेता हूं. अब फटाफट चैट बॉक्स में लिखिए, कभी ऐसा लगा क्या आपको भी कि आपकी जिंदगी अच्छी भली चल रही थी और सडनली यू फेल्ट ओहो ये क्या हो गया, व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इन माय लाइफ, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड मुझको छोड़ के चला गया, ओहो ऐसा तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था, मैं फेल हो गई एग्जाम में, ऐसा भी मैंने सोचा नहीं था. सो यू आर फेसिंग, यस, सबने ऐसे वाली चीजें तो फेस करी हैं, मतलब ऐसा वाला ड्रामा है ना. कभी ना कभी तो ऐसा जरूर हुआ कि आपको ऐसा एहसास हुआ कि यार ये मेरे साथ ही क्यों, माय पंगा, मी आपने लोगों को बुलाया, थेरेपी ली, सारा कुछ किया, बट जब जिंदगी पलटती है, जब जिंदगी पलटती है और जब जिंदगी में ये समझ नहीं आता कि ये ड्रामा हमारे साथ क्यों हो रहा है, तो अक्सर लोग बाबा जी के पास जरूर पहुंचते हैं. मतलब टेबा पत्री, ब्लैक मैजिक, सब एंगल्स ढूंढ लेते हैं. माझ्यासाठी कशाला, मी कशाला, बाय मी. और जब भी आपके दिमाग में ये सवाल आ जाए कि वाई मी, तो आप समझ लें कि आपकी बैंड बज चुकी है, मतलब आपका स्ट्रेस शुरू हो गया है लाइफ में. समझ गए आप? तो स्ट्रेस का मतलब बैंड बजना, बैंड का मतलब आपकी लाइफ में ड्रामा होना. आपकी लाइफ में कुछ ऐसा हुआ है जिससे आपको उस चक्रव्यूह में से निकलना आपके लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. तो आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप 24 घंटे अपने आप से ऑब्सेशन कर रहे हो, और उस ऑब्सेशन में आपकी, मुझे नींद ना आए, मुझे चैन ना आए, मुझे नींद ना आए, मुझे खाना ना, कुछ नहीं चाहिए ना आपको, खाने को ना पीने को, आप 24 घंटे बस उसी लपेटे में, गोल 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 गोल. कभी आपने किसी डॉग को देखा है, बिफोर ही गोज टू शिट और पी, सॉरी बहुत गंदा एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ बट आप समझ जाओगे. My dog, beautiful Luna, whenever I had never kept a dog in my life, तो मुझे ये पता नहीं था. But whenever I would go out to take her for a pee or for poo, she would go gol 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 before she would find her spot. बस बिल्कुल उसी की तरह. We are going round and 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 round in our head. इसे कहते हैं ऑब्सेशन. बहुत सीधी सी बात है, अगर आपको अभी भी ना समझ में आया क्योंकि आपकी फटी कैसे, तो ये समझ लें आपकी फटी ऐसे. और आपको समझ जाना चाहिए कि यू आर नॉट इन अ गुड प्लेस व्हेन आपकी नींद खो गई है, आपका चैन खो गया है, आपने खाना पीना छोड़ दिया है, बिल्कुल वैसे जैसे प्यार में कोई हो जाता है इंसान. मतलब कहने का है स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेस होता है, चाहे आप प्यार में हो गए, इसलिए आप गोल गोल घूम रहे हैं और पूछ रहे हैं पंखुड़ियां लेके रोज की, ही लव्स मी नॉट, ही लव्स मी, नो ही लव्स मी नॉट, यस यस आई एम श्योर ही लव्स मी. बस ऐसे ही आपके शौक में, आप शौक में बैठे हैं और पूछ रहे हैं मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों, ऐसा क्यों, ऐसा क्यों, ऐसा क्यों, क्यों 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 क्यों. जवाब कहीं से नहीं आ रहा है, कहीं से नहीं मीन्स कहीं से नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, let's put the jokes on one side. This is reality of a stress. This is where your stress begins. This is how stress feels like. You can't sleep. Your sleep duration becomes come, and very little. भैया ऐसा क्यों है कि मुझको नींद नहीं आती है? सोचो सोचो सोचो. Why is it that you can't sleep? Why is body compromising on your sleep? देखो हमारी बॉडी ना बहुत स्मार्ट है, हमसे ज्यादा. I mean it. Our body is far more intelligent than us and doesn't do anything. उसको आता ही नहीं यार ऐसा करना. आपकी बॉडी इज रिएक्टिंग टू योर माइंड इमीडिएटली विद इन स्प्लिट सेकेंड्स. मतलब यहाँ आपकी बैंड बजी, वहां आपकी बॉडी रिएक्ट करी. ठीक है. तो अगर आपकी नींद चली गई है तो पूछिए अपने आप से, ऐसी क्या चीज है जो आप सुलझा नहीं पा रहे हो अपनी जिंदगी में. Why and what has happened before your sleep pattern went for a toss? What has happened before you stopped eating the way you were eating? Meaning, आपने या तो ज्यादा खाना शुरू कर दिया है या आप भूख के मारे, भूख ही नहीं लगती आपको, जैसे कि प्यार में भूख नहीं लगती, बिल्कुल वैसे. So why do you think we compromise on our sleep? Anybody wants to answer that? Let's keep it a little interactive. Anybody wants to write down in the chat box, भैया ऐसा क्यों होता है कि आपकी नींद गई? So this is the basis of everything. Why do you think we are losing out on sleep? अगर किसी को जवाब देना
Yes, I'm going through that. I'm Karishma. From I think many years I have the sleepless nights. और क्यों होता है means the way you said बेचारी मैं, why me, I think it is that.
शुक्रिया.
Thank you.
कोई और? Anybody else?
Some responses have come on chat.
Okay, let's read them. Overthinking, because always thinking about that. अभी वो जो that है ना वो लिख दो. Always thinking about what, man? मतलब that means what? What is that, man? किस चीज को आप लेके बार बार सोच रहे हो, अपने आप को बेचारा कर रहे हो? With what? Always thinking about that. What? Thinking about a woman, thinking about a man, thinking about a relationship, thinking about job loss, thinking about money loss, thinking about someone's loss. क्या सोच रहा है आपका दिमाग? Or you're avoiding something. स्ट्रेस आपके सामने बैठा है, आप उसको अवॉइड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. पॉसिबल है? एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. सो जैसे करिश्मा ने कहा, हाँ आई एम गोइंग थ्रू दैट फेज. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू दैट फेज? हाथ ऊपर कीजिए. आई विल अनम्यूट यू एंड यू कैन, आई विल इवन पुट यू इन स्पॉटलाइट. मैन फायदा है, यू नो, स्पॉटलाइट कभी मिलता है. yes Neha.
Sonal has said thinking about an illness. Vikram says someone's loss. Mamta says obsession on a problem. Dr. Ashwini says either the future or the past. Sonal is saying how to overcome illness.
अरे बाबा तुम पॉइंट पे क्यों नहीं आ रही हो? शी इज टेलिंग मी. तुम मुझे नींद के बारे में क्यों बता रही हो? बट वो डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड है. Sonal?
Yeah, it is about the diabetes, how to overcome it.
Yes.
What do I do so that my blood sugar levels are normal?
Thank you.
So,
But this
yeah,
is connected, sweetheart.
it is connected to sleep. Now, see, because of diabetes, I have restlessness of my on my feet. So the legs are restless. So legs are restless, so I can't sleep. This doesn't happen like so often. It is not a everyday story, but yeah, that is the thing which can happen.
Thank you, Sonal, so much. I really appreciate it. Okay. So very simply, I will go straight to the point rather than asking you any questions, if that's what you want, because I can go very fast to very slow. But I want you guys to understand whatever I do right now. Because I want you to know I'm going to be here practically every Saturday, so we'll have a lot of guftagu to do. But if the fundamentals are not right, if the fundamentals are not deep, you will only look at what is troubling you and go away without any more understanding. Get it very clearly. Mind is chattering, insecurity, fears, sleep is directly affecting our thought process. You speak amazing, how to overcome illness, things are not falling into place at correct time, blockages of finance. Okay, तो सीधा बताते हैं. जब स्ट्रेस हमारे को खा के जाता है तो हमारी बॉडी बोलती है कि बेटा तू सो गया ना, अगर तू सो गया ना तो फिर तेरे को प्लान नहीं मिलेगा ठीक करने को ये डायबिटीज। मतलब आपका माइंड ऑब्सेशन में था, ही लव्स मी नॉट, मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ, व्हाई मी, व्हाई माय हस्बैंड लेफ्ट मी नाउ ओनली, व्हाई माय रिलेटिव डाइड नाउ ओनली, व्हाई आई गॉट लेस मार्क्स इन माय एग्जाम, व्हाई माय बिजनेस वेंट डाउन नाउ ओनली। किसी की काली नजर है कि पीली नजर है कि लाल नजर है कि क्या हुआ? जब आप इस ड्रामा में बैठे हुए हैं तो आपका दिमाग ढूंढ रहा है, शोध रहा है, इट इज सर्चिंग। योर दिमाग इज नॉट स्लीपिंग बिकॉज इट इज सर्चिंग फॉर अ सोल्यूशन। समझे करिश्मा? बहुत सालों से आप सोई नहीं है क्योंकि बहुत सालों से आपको सोल्यूशन मिला नहीं है। कुछ ठीक कहा, गलत कहा? करिश्मा प्लीज शेयर। Karishma, where are you?
Yes,
Please
yes,
share.
yes.
So the drama
Very
which is there in our life, stress can last for years. Yes, and stress can last for years in the form of the relationships that you have. आगे क्यों बढ़ते हो? पहले अपने अपने गिरेबान में झांक के देखो, तुम्हारे रिलेशनशिप्स का कितना फटा हुआ हाल है। क्या है जो तुम्हारे मुताबिक नहीं है? What is it that is not the way you want it to be? लिख लीजिए 2 मिनट। I want my husband to be like this, I want my child to be like this, I want my mother-in-law to be like this, I want my father-in-law to be like this। राइट, विश लिस्ट क्रिएट कीजिए, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्या क्या what is not the way you want it।
very true.
Yes,
Very true. You should I write that?
yes करिश्मा, लिखिए ना क्या क्या आपके मुताबिक नहीं है। आपको you know when you put it down it becomes solid for you। So when we understand कि बहुत कुछ ऐसा है हमारी लाइफ में जो is not how we want it to be, तो क्या है ना, if it is neighbor who is not like the way you want it to be, तो आप अपना दरवाजा बंद, उसका दरवाजा बंद, मेरी दुनिया अलग तेरी दुनिया अलग एंड लाइफ जिंगल आला। पर इन कमबख्त फैमिली मेंबर्स का क्या करें? जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। क्या करें इनका कि दिल है कि मानता नहीं। आप रिश्ते चलाते चले जा रहे हो और उसमें फक्र ले रहे हो। आई एम सो नाइस, आई डिडंट लीव माय हस्बैंड, आई एम सो नाइस, लुक माय हस्बैंड डिडंट लीव मी। कंसिस्टेंसी। मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ किसी को छोड़ दो, पर आपने उसके बारे में कुछ किया भी नहीं, यहाँ तक कि you probably have not even expressed it loudly। So you are very discomforted, you are not comfortable in what is happening, but तुम कहोगे नहीं, छोटा महसूस करते हो यार अगर कुछ कह दोगे तो। मैं बहुत उच्च हूँ। You want to be the nice girl, the nice boy who gets accepted by everybody, ताकि आपको लोग देख के बोले वाह 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 वाह, वाह वाह गीता जी, वाह वाह निर्मल जी, वाह वाह नूरजहां, वाह वाह विजय, वाह वाह। तुमको वाह वाह सुनने की आदत ज्यादा है, लेकिन बीमारियां हमारी बॉडी की हमारी असलियत बताती हैं। So your illnesses are called, और यहाँ पे चैट बॉक्स में नहीं व्हाइट बोर्ड पे लिख देती हूँ, your illnesses are called this is I am not at ease with, which means I am not with what? तो लिखिए अपने उसमें कितने लोगों के साथ आप with how many people in your life you are not comfortable. से पहले ये देखिए what are the things you are not comfortable with, who are the people you are not comfortable with, what are the circumstances you are not comfortable with, and for how many years. When you will find out how many years, you will go to the onset of disease. जब आप डॉक्टर के पास पहुंचते हैं और आप डॉक्टर से कहते हैं डॉक्टर साहब मेरे यहाँ पेन हो रही है, डॉक्टर साहब मेरी आंख में कुछ हो गया है, my hair is falling, that is not the onset of disease. Disease began long before that. Disease probably began when you didn't even know. So disease began at the time, which could be 2 years before the disease actually manifested, like a caries in the or the hole in your tooth began long back. You went to the doctor when it started paining. छेक तो पहले शुरू हो गया था यार, आपकी जिंदगी में भी ऐसे बड़े बड़े छेक हो रहे हैं, रिलेशनशिप्स में बड़े बड़े गड्ढे हैं, पर आप क्या कर रहे हैं, उनको सिल के ना सामने प्रेजेंटेशन कैसी है, ऑल इज वेल, वेरी नाइस, सब ठीक है. So somebody asks you how are you, give a broad smile and then you say all is well, and your disease is telling you no, all is not well, all is not okay. Stop. See what is not okay, what is not okay in your life. Okay, so your body will sleep less so that you can find a plan to get out of this discomfort that you're feeling with someone, something, or your circumstances. समझ गए? Exit policy. आप इसलिए कम सो रही हैं ताकि आपका माइंड एकदम शार्प रहे. Vigilance, it's constantly vigilant to find the way to exit the situation. When we register shock, 4 things happen. We can either fight that someone who we are uncomfortable with. Let's assume my father, not assume, reality is my father expired 3 years back. अब मैं कितना ही मेडिटेशन कर लूं, कितना ही आंख बंद कर लूं, कान बंद कर लूं, कितना ही अपने आप को समझा लूं, कितना ही अपने आप को लल्लाबाई कर दूं, but my papa is not there ना. My papa is not there to tell me, beta, I love you. Sorry, Vikram, you've lost your papa. And that's the onset of disease. Clean it up now before it becomes a disease. So for last 3 years, I didn't even realize, but I'm in hypervigilance. क्योंकि जब तक आपकी जिंदगी में लोग हैं ना, तब तक आपको महसूस नहीं होता. जब वो चले जाते हैं, तब पता लगता है we are made like this. Only when we lose do we realize what we have lost, not before that. Before that, everything is very different. Very different. We may fight with same people, we may not be at ease with the same people, but वो भी हमारी कमबख्त आदत बन जाती है. जब सामने लड़ने वाला नहीं है, तो भी हमारे को शौक बैठता है. Sonal is also doing this. Sonal, what happened? Who did you lose? Who did
No one I lost, thankfully, touch wood. But yeah, I can resonate with you. Like See, it's not necessary to lose someone, but it is important to not take them for granted and to realize the importance. That's what I'm taking that point as. Thank you.
Thank you. It's not even about taking them for granted. It is how we take ourselves for granted. I want you to get this very simply. When a shock registers, when we lose someone, like I lost my father 3 years back, every time I go to my mother's house, my eyes are looking at that couch where he used to sit. Every time I do a talk like this, my every bit is searching for him, because he used to be very proud when I would do anything. So all those things will become my triggers. And my stressful event can get re-triggered again. But the main point, if I have lost my father, I have no plan how to get him back. Nothing in this world, no amount of repentance, forgiveness can get him back on this planet Earth. And these are the places, yahan hame samjhota karna padta hai. Like coming to terms with it, or adopting someone else as your father, or that's called finding a sugar daddy. Basically, you have to have a plan very fast, or you have to become your own father. जिंदगी एकदम ऐसे लगता है थप्पड़ मार रही है ऐसे। विक्रम शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
No, you're literally saying, you're reading my mind. That's all what you're doing right now. I don't know how you're doing it, but you're exactly telling my situation. I mean, you nailed it actually. I don't know how, but then yes, you have. And I'm feeling the same thing.
Thank you, Vikram, for sharing that. This is for all of you to understand. If you want to understand disease, you have to understand life. Disease is not just about, in disease gets aggravated, according to the biologist, by the onset of microorganisms. Yet, the onset of disease is way far back. The first pointer is you are not at comfort with something, someone, and this तुम झेलते चले जा रहे हो. So everybody who has diabetes here, because you are stuck with diabetes, and diabetes is a small fraction of the whole story. But everybody who is got diabetes here, because we're talking diabetes today, and I will take it now, navigate to that side. How many of you have something persistently going on in your life? It is also called a sugar disease. How many of you have constant worry going on in your life, or are constantly the kind of people who constantly worry, who do not have someone in your life? You feel that someone is being very authoritative, strict with you. Anybody who's lost, anybody who has got diabetes and has felt, oh my God, जिंदगी बहुत कड़वी है यार, मिठास नहीं है इस जिंदगी में, दोस्त दोस्त ना रहा, प्यार प्यार ना रहा, जिंदगी मुझे तेरा एतबार ना रहा, एतबार ना रहा. Yes. Wow. Pratima, I really salute you, boss. I don't even know how you're managing. Art of acceptance, yes. बहुत ज़रूरी है. Want to know about PCOD? Yes. Lost 21 years back your father. It doesn't matter when you lose your saya. माँ बाप ना साय की तरह होते हैं. I didn't realize when I lost sweetness of my life. काम करते हैं ना इस पे. at 33 years. Feel free to unmute and share your experience. Lost my mom 6 months back. Got insulin problem after that. शुक्रिया तृप्ति, शुक्रिया ये शेयर करने के लिए. I had heard a story from my grandmom when I was younger. The story was, she would say, बेटे एक तोता था, उसको केज में बंद कर दिया गया. जब तोते की टांग तोड़ी तो जो किंग था ना वहां, उसकी टांग टूट गई. जब तोते का पंख निकाला तो वहां पे किंग की स्किन खराब हो गई. अब आप सोचिए आप किसके साथ अटैच्ड हो कि उसको कुछ होता है तो आपकी जान निकलती है. इसके साथ भी आपकी बीमारियां जुड़ी हुई हैं कि उनको खुश ना देख के मेरे दिल में इतनी उदासी हुई कि हाय, मैंने भी कह दिया, अब जीने का क्या मतलब है. काश मैं उनकी शक्ल पे वो खुशी ले आती, काश वो खुश हो जाते, उनको वो सब कुछ मिल जाता. It could be your kids, it could be your parents. Anybody can relate to this?
Yes, I can.
Thank you. Sonal, share करेंगे.
Yes, Anu. Yes, Anu, even I can.
Thank you. तो आपको रफली अभी समझ में आ गया. डिकोड अगर कुछ किसी चीज को करना है तो सबसे पहले हमने डिकोड करना है अपने डिस्कम्फर्ट को. कहाँ हम अधूरी सी जिंदगी जी रहे हैं, कहाँ हम इन ऑथेंटिसिटी जी रहे हैं. आवर ब्रेन इज सेइंग, सारे जो डॉक्टर्स हैं प्लीज मुझे माफ कर दें क्योंकि मुझे उल्टा पुल्टा करने की आदत है. हमारा ब्रेन कह रहा है be real and authentic inside. झूठ बोले कौवा काटे, काले कौवे से डरियो. मतलब आप झूठ बोले अपने आप से, डिजीज ने आपको पकड़ा. क्यों हम सच बोल देंगे तो किसी को तकलीफ हो जाएगी. well, आप सच नहीं बोलोगे तो खुद को तकलीफ दोगे. और कोई भी स्ट्रेस 9 months के ऊपर गया तो वो फेटल हो जाता है. I want all of us to think right now. हमें स्ट्रेस को सालों साल खींचने की आदत है. I would stop here and ask people any questions over here that anybody has. Why max of diabetes in India compared to the world? हाँ, जवाब दे रही हूँ आपको. यहाँ तक कोई सवाल है अपने पास है ना नेहा?
Yes, we have time. Absolutely.
बढ़िया. आप लोगों के पास वक्त है? प्रॉब्लम है. मेरे पास भी वक्त है, आपके पास भी वक्त है. फुर्सत से मिले दो यार.
Anu,
बोलिए कौन है? अनु नाम बोलिए ताकि मैं आपको.
मेरा नाम सोनल है. मेरा नाम सोनल है, सोनल लोहाना.
Yes, Sonal.
So when you mentioned about the loss of a father and the stress, so till now I couldn't realize why did I get diabetes, because I've always been a happy-go-lucky person. But now when you mentioned कि आप अपने आप से authentic हो या नहीं, so just to portray that yes, I'm strong, but अंदर से I was very scared. I didn't know what to do and I had to just take up the charge. And that's where I realized that, oh, I have been living a facade.
शुक्रिया सोनल, बहुत
Yes.
शुक्रिया, बड़ी मेहरबानी कि आज तो ऑथेंटिक हो गई आप. बस
Yes, thank you.
दुरुस्त आए, कोई बात नहीं, कभी तो आए. So it is very important, A, to identify what you are not comfortable with. B, it is very important to identify how long you have carried the stress. Third, it is very important for you to ask yourself कि तुम्हारे को प्रॉब्लम है तो हेल्प मांगने में तुम्हारी फटती क्यों है? घर में तो मेड रखते हो खाना पकाने के लिए, झाड़ू पोछा लगाने के लिए, तो एक काउंसलर को अपॉइंट कर लो ना जब ठीक नहीं फील कर रहे हो बातचीत करने के लिए। इतनी नाराजगी क्यों है मेंटल हेल्थ से? Because everything that is happening physically is happening mentally in your body. There is no separation. तमाशा दिखाऊं? बताऊं कैसे? चल. All of you close your eyes. Very nice. Imagine a big lemon in front of you. You're cutting that lemon and you're squishing that lemon and putting it on your tongue. Very good. I can see Karishma's face going idhar udhar. आपकी बॉडी आपकी मेंटल इमेज लाते ही फट गई. शाबाश. And you say no, mental health different, physical health different. अरे कुछ फर्क नहीं है. चलो एक और करते हैं ताकि आपको समझ में आ जाए. जिनको यहाँ नहीं समझ में आया उनको आगे समझ में आ जाए. क्लोज योर आईज. सोचो क्या बहुत बढ़िया खाना खा रहे हो. The best food that you ever thought on the planet Earth. Yummy, yummy. Just the one that you want, यार. क्या क्या खुशबू है. क्या टेस्ट है. बिल्कुल the right temperature, the right ambience. और suddenly आपका बच्चा भागा हुआ आ रहा है. मम्मी, पापा, कुछ हो गया है. दादाजी को कुछ हो गया है. मम्मी आके देखो ना. क्या आपकी फिजिकल बॉडी अभी भी खाना खा रही है? शाबाश. Your body reacts the minute your mind reacts. Anybody wants to unmute and talk? Please go ahead. Is that?
Yeah, I was imagining, Anu, yeah, this is Sudha here. I was imagining good dishes around me. And as soon as you told the other part of it, then suddenly my tongue just went flat. I couldn't feel. I know, I didn't feel that I should go ahead further to eat it.
So what do you think, Sudha, stopped you from eating?
The child, the scream of the boy who came and told something has happened to the grandfather. So that's
now
all.
To think, now this whole food plate will become her allergy spot. She might get allergic to any of this food that is there in her plate. And when she has heard this, anybody shouting like this loudly, even people who are not connected with her will create similar reactions in her next time. Yes. Because we get frozen. So of the four things, first one is fight. Second one is flight. That means we'll run away from the situation. The third one is freeze, where we decide, नहीं, don't worry, मैं manage कर लूँगा. मैं नम हूँ तो क्या हुआ? मैं महान भी हूँ. देखो मैं कितना strong हूँ. मैंने रोया. लोग भगवान ने ना आपको आंसू दिए फ्री में, फ्री. पर आपने उसके ऊपर भी कंट्रोल किया. And the last one, we start pleasing people. So it's fight, flight, freeze or fawn. AWN. हमारी फितरत है कुछ ऐसी. हमें लगता है कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हमारे बिना दुनिया नहीं चलेगी. So we have to make people happy. For example, a girl is getting assaulted by a man and he is She's below him, he's above her. He has a knife in the hand and says, "Chup kar sali." वहां से भागेगी, लड़ेगी, फ्रीज होगी कि she will give in and say, "Let him have his pleasure." क्या करेगी? डालिए चैट बॉक्स में. Yes? Yeah, okay. Shabash. I must say you are beautiful audience, and thank you joining hands for creating this. Thank you, Neha,
Thank you.
and I hope my friend is doing well.
Yes, yes, he's away in the wilderness.
हाँ बस ठीक है फिर ऐश करने दे उसको. He requires it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want you to get this. We will all have different reactions. But one of the reactions can be that she will absolutely keep quiet and allow him to have his fun so that she can stay safe. This is called people pleasing behavior, when we will, despite ourselves not wanting certain things to do, we will land up doing certain things so that others can be happy and we can avert danger and we can keep harmony of the house. Many, 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 many people are guilty of this. Okay, let's go to the next thing and let's really go to where we need to touch right now. Can you all see my slides? I don't like doing slides actually. I've already explained to you. This part I need to explain to you again. So a shock happens in your life even before diabetes or any disease for the matter of fact, which is unexpected, जो आपने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. The drama that I spoke about of your life, where you felt completely alone. You didn't know who to ask for help. And you have no plan till today, or you did not have plan back in time, like if my father is not there, I don't know how to get him back into this world. This is the onset of a disease. This is jahan aapki band baji hai. And this could have happened anytime, right from 2 days before your disease. If it has happened 2 days before, your disease will be very mild. But if it has happened 10 years ago, then your disease will be chronic and you will have huge problems. So the faster you clean up your shit, the better it is for you. The faster you seek for help, you will not invest in bigger problems. This much clear? I'm going further because these are not slides which everybody will understand. So because for this you have to have the knowledge of meta health. Your shocks that are registered in your brain at the same time are registered in your heart, your organ at the same time. That is why you reacted with the lemon at the same time. You reacted at the food and screaming at the same time. 10 घंटे के बाद नहीं होता है, उसी टाइम फटाफट शॉक हुआ, आपकी बॉडी ने रजिस्टर किया, आपके ब्रेन ने रजिस्टर किया, आपके ब्रेन ने सिग्नल भेजा, बोला, oh, this shock is best for this part of the body, depending on the function that part of the body is doing. उस organ के ऊपर shock लगा, it will also hit. We are also looking here at embryology and looking at which brain layer it will hit. वहां पे नहीं जाएंगे. It's meta medicine, so we have to learn that instead of going over there. I just want you to know that for diabetes, it is the cortex layer which gets impacted. Cortex is the topmost layer of the brain, the most modern brain that you can ever think of. You don't need to know more than that. Your heart radiates a field across like this. And I will show you a device which can measure your heart rates. This is a device which is called Lecker antenna. You get copied ones for 2,500. The real one is for 18 to 20,000. You can actually measure, you can put this cursor at a certain frequency and actually measure what is the length of the rays that are getting emitted by your heart. Yes. You can even feel it with your hand, but you got to be really energy worker for that. Now, if I have registered a shock and it's getting out of my radar and is reaching other people, then how I'm going to feel is going to impact other people. So I'll repeat again. शॉक लगा, कुछ तो हादसा हुआ, जहां पे आपकी बैंड बजी. This हादसा was like a drama in your life which had never happened before. जहां पे आपको अकेलेपन का बहुत सारा एहसास हुआ. मतलब imagine that girl who is getting molested by this guy who is lying all over her with this knife in his hand. वो क्या उस टाइम फोन निकाल के अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को फोन करेगी, प्लीज हनी मुझे आके बचा लो, कि वो मम्मी पापा को फोन करेगी, पापा पापा बचाओ, कि ओल्ड हिंदी हीरोइन की तरह बोलेगी बचाओ बचाओ बचाओ. You can't talk about it. And she'll be probably so scared that even after he's left her, by the time she actually goes and tells someone about it and someone understands what she is saying, there will be a gap. And that gap which has happened is called the isolating time. That is why it is very important to connect with someone and talk. It can be your friend, can be your family. आपको shock महसूस हुआ है? One of the best ways of not getting unwell is talk to someone. Not about anything else, but you're shocked in the most authentic manner. It will not, and find a plan. उसी टाइम आपकी नींद खराब होगी, आपके खाना पीना खराब होगा, and आप obsession में चले जाओगे. But at the same time, if you are like this, because these rays are coming out of your body now, out of your heart, someone comes and stands in your resonance. Let's say a girl is pregnant. The baby is going to feel every resonance of you because it's part of your body. But let's say your mom comes and stands in your field. She can actually look at you and say, क्या हुआ? तुम ठीक नहीं लग रही हो, पर तुम छुपाती चली जा रही हो. कुछ तो गलत है, बताओ ना. But तुम नहीं बता रही हो. And more important, there is a change in your behavior. तुम वैसे रहे ही नहीं जैसे थे. You are not the same person. तुम देखने में सेम लगते हो, but you are not the same person. Any questions, guys? I've never spoken so much. Any questions?
Ma'am, I'm Shweta. Can I just say something?
Sure, go ahead, Shweta.
Ma'am, your session was amazing, but last चीज जो आपने बोला, that is very, very true. After the incident, you're the same person you were. That's very, very true.
शुक्रिया. और पता है श्वेता, कहने में ये आता है कि आपकी जो पर्सनालिटी चेंज है वो यहाँ तक हो सकती है that people can have difference in the eye color to diseases coming in and diseases going off. Thank you.
But at all the points in the program, I could relate to everything, ma'am. I've gone through depression for almost 2.5 years, very severe, taken a lot of medications, and then I put on a lot of weight, and फिर fibroids हो गए, मेरा uterus remove हुआ. So at the age of 38, so काफी चीजें हुई, but everything that you said was totally connected to the things I have gone through.
Thank you so much, Shweta. So
Thanks
we
for the lovely session, ma'am.
wish we could identify, because I don't have time to do everything, but I would love to ask you what was going on in your life. You can think about it and maybe we can work with you later. Thank you so much.
Definitely, ma'am.
I really appreciate your acknowledgement. Let's go further.
Thank you.
That really I can get this to you. Can you see the slide still? No, na?
No, no.
Okay. So your shock will hit your heart, your brain, and your organ. इतना समझ में आ गया? Which organ? The organ that is best suited to take care of the conflict. Abhi, what that means, we'll have to go further, but not just now. So let's go to the next one. And in diabetes, what is happening? Okay. I'm just going to go without the slides. That's better, because a lot of my slides, the pictures that I had put are got corrupted. So let's not do something that is not required. Let's go straight. So I want you to get it. Diabetes. I'm going to break that word down. Dia means, what does dia mean, guys?
Right.
Okay, what else does dia mean? Dia means two and between means a house. When my house is broken into, मेरे दिल के हो गए हैं, then it is called diabetes. I do not feel love in my house. मेरे पापा मम्मी नहीं है, मेरा बच्चा नहीं है, या तो वो घर छोड़ के चला गया है लड़के, या something has happened where the child had to go for higher education. लड़के भी नहीं गया है, आपकी रजामंदी से गया है. Yet the shock is there. आई मेरा बच्चा मुझे कैसे छोड़ के जा सकता है? I mean, मुझे याद आती है ना उसकी. I want him home यार. मेरा दिल का टुकड़ा चला गया है. Means what? आपके दिल के टुकड़े हो गए हैं. Got it? So diabetes is all about losing flavor or sweetness in our life. So Sonal, कौन आपकी जिंदगी से चला गया है? कब से है डायबिटीज? सोनल जैन, कब से है डायबिटीज? Let's explore your.
Yeah, I have diabetes since 7 years. I got it as gestational in my 8th month of my pregnancy. And then after the 6 months of delivery, it just shoot up. Earlier, when I did the reports at 3 months, it was under the normal limits. And then after 6 months, I got the symptoms of itching and thirst and frequent urination and all that symptoms. And when I did it, I got it. I was already hypothyroid before that.
Okay, so
I'm still hypothyroid.
your story. Can I put you in spotlight?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. So Sonal, go back to the time before your pregnancy began and tell me what was going on in your life where you were feeling that the love and affection that you should have got, you were not getting.
Okay. Yeah, my sister-in-law, she was pregnant two 2 years before, when I got diabetes. I was working there. I was working in a clinical research company. I had to leave that because of like to look after, and also that company was not doing well. And then I was homebound. I am a homeopath by profession, by qualification, but after marriage, I could not practice. I could not resume practice, or I tried a lot to assist someone, and then again, but there was like mine is a joint family, so elders and everyone, कोई ना कोई बीमार होता था या हमें कहीं जाना होता था घूमने, in all that things. And I was always like, if I want to set up in an environment where I can carry forward. I don't want breaks, and the breaks always came in one or the other form. Then I started as a physician under the clinical research company, and there also, after 7 months, then I have to leave that. So I think basically that.
Stop.
Yeah.
So now we'll count the number of conflicts. Before marriage, how was life?
This is awesome. Like,
No
I was
breaks.
assisting gastroenterologist. I was also assisting a homeopath. So like work, and plus, mine is a love marriage. So we used to go out, have fun. So even that. So it
Shabash.
was
Now,
like a free life. Yeah.
right here. Thank you. It was free life. Thank you. चाहिए मुझे क्या?
Free life.
मिला मुझे क्या?
Housewife.
ढूंढा क्या?
Love. वो भी मिला, मतलब there was a happiness, but हाँ, breaks. Okay.
इनका
That's
एक क्यों I should never have breaks.
hmm.
बहुत बड़ा है बॉस.
Okay.
When you believe that you should never have breaks in your life, how do you see when you have your break? How do you see yourself when you get a break?
I see that it is not a continuation of what it is going on.
Okay, so when you see it not as a continuation of what is going on, what does that say about you?
I don't want to stop.
Shabash. When you think you don't want to stop, what does that say about you?
I can't be I can't be I I should just go on. The life should just go on. It happened in breaks. It should be a continuous.
When I'm stuck in this soch that it should be continuous and there should be no break, what does that say about me? About you, or not me, not Anu Mehta. What does that say about you, Sonal?
I'm not able to enjoy life.
When you understand that you are not able to enjoy life, even when you are with the man that you wanted to be in love with, and he is with you continuously, what does that say about you?
This is what I never expected in first place.
Good. Shabash. So where do we come back to?
Expectations.
Yes, this is what I did not expect. And this is where the disease starts. Very good. When I did not expect what I got, that is free love, freedom to housebound. What does that say about me?
I'm not independent, and I have to please people. I have to be how they expect me to be.
Shabash. That's the bottom line.
I'm really feeling heavy, huh?
Obviously, बच्चों का खेल थोड़ी ना है. I have to be how others want me to be, and when I can't be who I want to be, what does that say about you?
Caged.
Caged. If you are caged, you will not get diabetes. तो और किसको diabetes होगी?
No, I did. Being even a homeopath, I did not realize this because
It's okay. हम जब अपने भंवर में पड़े होते हैं तो किसी से पूछ लेना चाहिए क्या करना है, rather than sitting in our own cage.
and now with joining hands, the things are like opening up
Very
after
good.
so many years.
Acknowledgement to joining hands. Deep acknowledgement to my friend who has opened this forum.
Yeah, gratitude.
Who's been running behind me कि कर दो कर दो कर दो. And deep acknowledgement to you कि diabetes के पर आओ ना सीधा आप नींद पे क्यों जा रहे हो. Now, I want you to get this, Sonal.
Yes.
Okay, last bit. When you think you are housebound and you are not free and you are caged, what does that say about the people you are living with?
Why have they caged me?
Shabash. When you think they have caged you, what does that say about them?
Actually, now I realize it's not about them also. It's all about me. Why I allowed them.
When you think you have allowed them to cage you, what does that and what do you understand about others? About people you're living with?
They took me for granted. Their wishes got fulfilled. That okay, मुझे ऐसी मिल गई बहू
Shabash.
or wife.
Now, when you understand that you have been fulfilling people's wishes rather than fulfilling your own, what does that say about the world around you?
It's not good.
Show me 5 places where you got your way and got your expectations.
I got my way in what sense?
5 चीजें जहां आपने जब से आपकी शादी हुई है, 5 चीजों में जहां आपको अपनी मर्जी करने को मिली है.
Okay. Okay. To keep relationship with my friends. I mean, to have that freedom to get up and sleep whenever you want to.
5 2 हो गए,
To have a comfortable life.
3 हो गए,
And yeah, to go around the world, see the world, vacationing.
4 हो गए,
Okay.
चलिए 4 ही सही. But when we feel we never have, we are always in cage. Now we've given 4 instances when we are not in cage. How do you react and behave when you think you're always in a cage?
We have to judge our actions. We have to act according to, not others and not as we want to.
समझ में आता है कि 4 जगहें ऐसी हैं जहां आप केज नहीं हैं, जहां आप अपनी मर्जी कर रही हैं. What do you now understand about what you are talking about a cage? And how
Okay, the cage was my perception.
Shabash. And our perceptions create our disease. Last bit. Same thing. When a woman thinks that she is caged, when you are thinking you are caged and you're housebound, whereas when you were in your mama's house, you were free. What does that say about the world around you, about our society around you?
That it accepts you as you are in whatever the situation is. It is you who have to choose.
Shabbas. Sure, I want you to know you have a choice.
I have a choice.
You have a choice and you just didn't see it that way.
Yes.
Others enjoyed this demonstration. Okay, what have all of you understood from this demonstration?
I think it's everybody's story. Like looks like it. I resonate with her. It's like as if I'm talking on her behalf. I felt.
Shabash. And this is our Soch around the roles that we are confined in, because we saw our parents in that role and we go and stand ditto in those roles. हवा का क्या कसूर अगर आपने खिड़की दरवाजे बंद कर लिए हैं. Yes, Sonal.
Yeah, true. Now I'm realizing that earlier I used to just blame. I used to just think, अरे यार मुझे ये करने नहीं मिला, वो करने नहीं मिला. But yeah, then now with this all, healing space, I'm really got to understand that everything it was on me and not others.
Now get it. Diabetes is in your hand.
Yes.
अपने दिल के बंटवारे करने बंद करो, अपने आप को केज करना बंद करो, because you are not in a cage, you are living in a society which has expectations and you must learn how to balance those expectations. You always will have a choice. You took a choice to get caged. They didn't exploit you. You allowed yourself to be in that cage and think that you are exploited. And this is the biggest cause of diabetes. Anybody else wants to play? One more person and then we close the session. One more person or two more people.
It will be nice if you take mine.
Sure, I can't figure out who it is. Can you tell me your name?
Karishma, Punjabi.
करिश्मा, आप हो कहाँ? हाँ जी, आपको हम स्पॉटलाइट में डालते हैं. Yes, करिश्मा. How many years diabetes?
Actually, from 17 years, it was a gestation when I was second, like with my daughter, second daughter, I had gestational diabetes. But after 17 years, again I got it. It was only that pregnancy period for 4 months, and again after 17 years.
So now, for how many years you have it?
7 years.
7 years. Okay. So go back 7 years.
Yes.
What was happening in your life that was unexpected, dramatic, isolating, where you had no plan how to deal with changes that were happening around in your life? You felt that.
Yeah. Yeah, I can get it. My mother-in-law expired.
Wow.
And I have a mentally challenged sister-in-law.
Yes.
So I was thinking like all the botheration is on me now.
Yes. And that's how it is going on for last 7 years?
Yes.
So now you know exactly what's caused your diabetes. The thought that you're
Yes.
caged, you're homebound. You are caged, you're homebound, you're trapped. You're separated from your past life. This has become the new life, the new norm, and you do not know how to deal with it. Okay. Talk as much as you want to talk about these 7 years wherever you felt homebound, felt, oh my God, this is going to be my, what were the words you used? Go back, talk about it, I'll pick it up.
Of course, like the whole responsibility was on me. Like everybody now, my husband said, now she is your duty. Like you only have to take care. Like nobody came forward. Only they put the responsibility on me. And I also thought, yes, I only have to take care of her. Where else, with my understanding, I know God is there for everybody. I am not one big thing to take care of anybody. Neither I can take care of my own self. I feel like it just happens. Life just happens.
How was things before your mother-in-law?
Things were not good before also with her.
Talk about it.
In fact, I feel I'm better off after she is no more.
Yeah, but for you, this was a big one. All the responsibility of your sister-in-law is yours.
Yes.
You're ready to play further?
Yes, sure.
ठीक है? यही है ना?
Yes.
So if you think that all the responsibility of my sister-in-law is mine, what does that say about you?
It says that there is no, like, I can't fulfill my own wishes anymore.
Wonderful. When you think you can't fulfill your wishes anymore, what does that say about you?
Why am I living? For whom? For why I am living? Just to serve these people?
When you think, oh, I have to just live to serve these people, what does that say about you?
I am not come here for to serve others. I have come here to experience my own life, to know who I am. I feel that is.
You have come here not for anyone's service, but to know what your life is and what your purpose of life is. What does that say about you?
I feel very agitated towards all this, what is going on.
Okay. Give me 5 places where you have not felt agitated and you wanted to live.
Did not feel agitated.
Did not feel agitated. Give me 5 places where you did not feel agitated and you had a will to live in these last 7 years.
Many things, like my son was a dyslexia. Like, I was not agitated because he was a dyslexia. I took it as a challenge. Many, like, everything is surrounded by my son only. Like, he never used to do good in studies and so many things. So for him, I was never agitated as such.
Thank you. So the part that is agitated with you, the part that is agitated, let's put that part which is agitated right in front of you in a chair. Can you do that right now?
Yes.
Can you imagine the part that is agitated is right in front of you in a chair? It's sitting down there.
Yes.
You will talk to that part.
Yes.
Talk to that part loudly so that we can hear it. उस हिस्से से बात करनी है जो एजिटेटेड है, जो सामने बैठा है आपके बिल्कुल एक चेयर में, कुर्सी में.
I am now. I have to say I'm not agitated at you now.
No, no. You have to talk with that person, to that agitated part, and tell that person कि तुम. You have to look and talk to that part. अभी जो agitated part था ना आपके part life का, उसको मैंने सामने निकाल दिया.
हाँ.
सामने एक कुर्सी पे बैठ. आप उस कुर्सी से, कुर्सी पर बैठे हुए एजिटेटेड से बातें करेंगे जैसे कि वो रियल पर्सन है वहां पे.
Okay.
जैसे कि the other you is sitting over there, Karishma. The agitated Karishma is sitting right in front of you. उससे बात करें जोर से, लेकिन हमें सुनना चाहिए.
ये क्या हो रहा है? मैं क्यों ऐसी दुखी हूँ? क्यों अपने आप को अब दुखी महसूस कर रही हूँ? अब बहुत हो गया. अब मुझे, मैं जैसी हूँ वैसी ही जीना चाहती हूँ. मैं
I'll repeat again. करिश्मा, आप दुखी नहीं हो. आप बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक हो. आप वो करिश्मा हो जो 7 साल पहले या मे बी जब भी खुश थी वो खड़ी है यहाँ पे. उसके सामने जो इरिटेटेड पार्ट है वो सामने खड़ा है. वो जो खुश करिश्मा है ना, वो एजिटेटेड करिश्मा से बातें करेगी जैसे कि एजिटेटेड करिश्मा एक और इंसान सामने बैठा. मुझसे बात करो जैसे कि मैं इरिटेटेड. चलिए मुझसे बात कीजिए जैसे कि मैं.
या मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ. जितनी खुशी मुझे है शायद ही किसी को होगी. मैं वैसे ही खुश नसीब इंसान हूँ कि मैं इनफैक्ट दूसरों को खुश रखती हूँ.
करिश्मा, आपने अपने बारे में नहीं बोलना है. आपने बात करनी है दूसरी करिश्मा से. जैसे कि आपकी वो दोस्त है, बहुत दुखी रहती है यार, बहुत इरिटेटेड रहती है, उससे बात कीजिए. And nobody give her a hint. आप सब लोग अपनी गुफ्तगू करो।
क्यों
मैं आपके
दुखी है?
सामने
हाँ,
वेरी गुड
तू क्यों दुखी है? ऐसे क्या तूने कर लिया है कि सारी दुनिया की टेंशन तूने अपने आप समेट ली है? तू क्या समझती है कि दूसरों लोगों को टेंशन नहीं है, बस अपना ही किस्सा बड़ा समझ रही है अपने आप को? छोड़ दे अभी ये सब चीजें, छोड़ दे बस।
शाबाश। अभी आप अपनी थोड़ी जगह मूव करोगे, मूव कीजिए ना, थोड़ा सा मूव कीजिए। शाबाश। अब नाउ यू हैव बिकम द इरिटेटेड करिश्मा। वो जवाब देगी पहली करिश्मा को, भाई तू क्यों इरिटेटेड है, वो पूछ रही है ना, बता, जवाब दे उसको।
तुझे क्या मालूम? तू खाली बस बोल सकती है, जो मेरे ऊपर जा रहे हैं वो मुझे मालूम ना। तू तो बस खाली अपना खाली ऐसे ही डायलॉग बोलेगी। जो मैं बीत रही हूँ, तू कैसे समझ रही है? यू इफ यू बी इन माई शूज ओनली यू विल कम टू नो।
शाबाश। नाउ गो बैक टू बीइंग द अदर करिश्मा हु वाज हैप्पी। चलिए वापस मूव कीजिए, थोड़ा सा इधर उधर होना पड़ेगा।
यस।
बनने
अरे अरे
अब
ये क्या है? बस
वेरी
अपनी दुखरा अपने पास समझती है, जैसे कि बस तू ही दुखी है। कुछ नहीं है यार, ये सब तो छोटी छोटी बातें है, दुनिया में होती रहती है सब छोटी छोटी बातें।
शाबाश। वापस जाइए आप उसी के शूज में, ताकि आपको समझ में आए वो क्या कह रही है। चलिए, यस, दुखी वाली, इरिटेटेड वाली।
हाँ, धीरे धीरे जिस तरह से अभी तू मुझे बोल रही है, मुझे अभी फर्क लग रहा है कि नहीं, दुखी नहीं हूँ। ठीक है, कोशिश करूंगी चेंज करने के लिए।
चलिए ये इंफॉर्मेशन वापस लेके जाते हैं। Okay, I'm bringing all this information to the Karishma who is not angry, not irritated. कि वो जो दूसरी करिश्मा है ना, थोड़ा बदलने को तैयार है। उसको ये नहीं पता कि वो बदले ना बदले दुनिया बदलती जा रही है, बदले ना बदले दुनिया बदलती जा रही है। उसको ये एहसास ही नहीं कि वो भी बदल रही है हर मिनट। वो यही सोच के बैठी है कि मदर इन लॉ की डेथ अभी हुई है और सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अभी उसके सिर पे पड़ी है। उसको ये एहसास ही नहीं है कि 7 साल से उसने इतनी शिद्दत से, इतने मस्ती से ये सारा काम कर लिया। एक्चुअली 7 years she has actually managed everything and she has taken responsibility and molded it beautifully. उसको इसका एहसास ही नहीं है। उसको क्रिबिंग की आदत पड़ गई है। जैसे बकरी मेंगन डालती है ना, दूध देती रहती है, मेंगन डालती रहती है, वैसा हाल हो गया उसका। रियलिटी में वो सारे काम कर रही है। रियलिटी में शी इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हर सिस्टर इन लॉ लाइक नोबडी एल्स। एंड वो कुछ भी कह ले, उसको उसने नेग्लेक्ट नहीं किया है कभी। हाँ, उतनी शिद्दत से प्यार नहीं किया होगा जितने हमने बेटे को किया है, बट चैलेंज नहीं समझा होगा क्योंकि उनका खुद का चैलेंज नहीं है। बट रियलिटी यही है कि उन्होंने किसी और के चैलेंज को भी अपना चैलेंज बनाया है। और राइट नाउ आपकी करिश्मा जो सामने बैठी है, वो चैलेंज्ड सिचुएशन में बैठी है। उसको समझ में नहीं आ रही है ये चीज कि वो 7 साल इस स्टोरी में काट चुकी है। क्या कहेंगी आप उसको? ब्रिंगिंग ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन टू द करिश्मा हु इज नॉट एंग्री। कुछ बोलेंगी उसको?
हाँ, एक्चुअली अगर देखा जाए तो वाकई चैलेंजेस मैंने लिए हैं और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ली है, और मैं बहुत आगे बढ़ आई हैव स्टेप फॉरवर्ड एंड नाउ आई फील ये तो कुछ नहीं था। I can face many more challenges.
Can you tell her that? Can you tell that Karishma who's sitting in front of you?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes. Yes. Yes, I can do it.
करो ना, एक्नॉलेज करो। अभी सुन, वेट कर रही हूँ मैं, सुन रही।
हाँ करिश्मा, ये क्या हुआ? अभी ठीक हो गई सब कुछ? हाँ, अब मैं कर सकती हूँ। हाँ, मुझे मालूम है।
आपने करिश्मा को प्रेज करनी है कि उसने ये सारा कुछ किया है और उसे एहसास नहीं है। कितना मुश्किल है अपने आप को ग्रेटिट्यूड देना, एक्नॉलेजमेंट देना। चलिए करिश्मा, एक्नॉलेज कीजिए।
Karishma, well done. I'm so proud of you. You have done it. You have done it. You have done. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I just hope everybody got the gist of what I was trying to get at. Thank you so much. Let's acknowledge Karishma Punjabi for being
Thank-
very beautiful demonstration. What have people understood? What has everybody understood? Please put.
We live,
we are
we live in our story,
Yes, we love our stories.
and that story becomes the cage.
Yes, the story is the cage. There is no cage outside. Your story
Right.
is the cage. Perfect. And that you are not looking at what you have accomplished. You're constantly beating yourself up for what is not. You're not even realizing that the changes are anyway happening. You have the tools. You've done it before. You can do it now. Just now. Any questions from here before we close down the session? I hope you enjoyed. Yes.
Now that we have realized this, how to go forward.
करिश सोनल अगर सारा माल मैं आज ही आपको दे दूंगी तो फिर गाना ही आएगा, सारा माल मेरा तुमने बांध लिया है आंचल में. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना. धीरे धीरे से इतने आपको चीजें पकड़ा दी आज हाथ में. You have to understand it's a manifestation of our story. There is no cage outside. It's in our head. And there is an advantage to that cage that we have built. And we are living and we are eating the advantage. We are becoming the victims and somebody is rescuing us. And to be a victim is a very nice place. And you will endorse that by keep on getting more and more unwell. Till you will beat up each part of your body. एक एक हिस्सा कटवा के आ जाओगे, फिर भी आप अपनी इस कहानी में से बाहर निकलने की कोशिश नहीं करोगे, because it is so nice to be there. And not really, but there's a huge advantage to be there. Thank you very much, Kinjal. Kajal.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So where are you from? Are you in India?
Yeah, man, very much in India and very much in Mumbai right now. Yeah, I kept traveling across the world, and this is a Mawa from across, I don't know how many masters and guides and people. And my study has been for the last 21 years, I've been studying continuously searching, researching. And right now, with you, to be really honest, I didn't know that I was going to speak on diabetes even 5 minutes before we went on board. And what is really interesting, I punched on my files and the first PPT that opened up was of diabetes. Which is because, yeah, it's been a research for over a decade, I would say. And I'm just finding it very, very fascinating that we live in our stories. You'll hear the words people are using, housebound, cage. We live in our vocabulary. So Sonal, you have to give up one word from your vocabulary and never use it again. And that is cage. And once you get used to leaving that word, the next one would be housebound. सिर्फ दरी में से निकालना है. ये कभी 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 नहीं यूज करेंगे आप. शाबाश.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Attitude. Thank you.
Before we close down, you like?
Thank you.
यार नीचे चैट बॉक्स में डाल दो अगर आपको अच्छा लगा. इतनी कंजूसी मैंने तो आपको हाफ एन आवर ज्यादा दे दिया. इतनी कंजूसी. फटाफट नीचे समझा.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can, loud and clear.
Thank you. Deep gratitude. It was beautiful.
Thank you. Joining hands, and thank you.
Oh, thank you.
What is TY? Achha, thank you.
Short form. Conjure.
Neha, over to you.
Thank you so much, Anu. It's been a session fantastic and beyond. Like, I'm at a loss for words for how much I've loved and enjoyed this talk today with you. I'm already looking forward to next week's session along with everyone. Saturday, 4 p.m. Please block your calendars for decoding diseases with Anu. And Anu, thank you so much for talking to Joining Hands. We're so blessed to have you talk to us. Thank you.
Thank you. Gratitude.
I think you're on mute. Anu, I think you're on mute.
बोलती बंद हो गई. I'm in deep gratitude to each and every one of you because you helped me in talking about a subject that's like my baby, not like my baby, that is my baby, and I love it. I live it every day, and I feel everyone on this planet Earth should learn Meta Health because it gives you deep insights and spiritual insights into your life.
And will it be cured? Will it be cured? Just one question later. Will it be cured?
कौन बोल रहा है ये?
Yeah, Sudha here. Sudha here. Yeah.
As soon as you come out of your story, it will be cured.
Wow.
How fast will you take to get out of your story is the only story.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much. We sit in our stories and we never cure it. You might need never anything, not even a diet to go on if you get out of the mindset. And this means in every place where you have caged yourself, every place that you've caged yourself, million times in the last 7 years of your life, Sudha, and in million times that Sonal has caged herself in past many years, she has to unlock. And life is waiting over there because the cages are just right now inside your head. खुद को बुलंद कर इतना कि खुदा भी तुझसे पूछे.
बोल तेरी रज़ा क्या है?
बिल्कुल.
Awesome, Anuji. Really grateful.
Thank you, ji. Bye, Neha.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Bye.
so much, Anu.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great weekend. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.